I was recently given this little table as a gift, but it's more than it appears. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here, and this little table here is actually from Korea, and I can't tell you everything about it, but it's by daebak, and it's a Korean Brilliant Soban wireless charger, and that's what makes this thing so interesting. I actually looked it up. I was surprised to find out that this thing is $120, but it looks pretty nice, and if you like that Asian motif around your house, maybe you've got that minimalist style, something like this might just fit the bill here. It comes fully assembled. I think all of this is plastic, but at the top here it's slightly textured, and then it says has a mother of pearl type of finish, and right up here this is kind of typical. I have seen tables like this that are wood with varnish on them, maybe even like a lacquer of some sort, and then these really intricate prints on top. I believe this is Korean. It stands here about 5 inches tall and probably about 6 inches wide, and what I want to show you here is that it comes with this cable, USB-A to USB-C, which I really love, and on that end right there you can see we have a USB-C plug. So if I just go ahead and push that in, you can see it has a nice little cutout there, and then if I put this down just like this, and I will say there are little rubber, very thin rubber feet here, so if you are putting this down on a smooth surface, it's not going to move around here. And because I was so intrigued by it, I already went and tested this out, put my phone on there, charges no problem. But man, it gives your phone a little bit of that Asian majesty. So really makes it sit up high. You can watch it, easy to grab, but like I said, this is a charger that on display wouldn't look like a charger, certainly would look like a nice piece of antique. But if you want to pick this up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever thanks to Peter Von Panda.